Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can use your busy bodies to cut out a camisole. Camisole is an undergarment, usually they wear it under a jacket, a blazer, or even a top. It's just like a spaghetti strap top. So if it's something you would love to learn, do well to watch to the end of the video. Like, share and subscribe. If you are new on my channel, please do well to subscribe and be part of the family. Most importantly, turn on the notification bell so you can be notified anytime we drop new videos, so you don't miss out on anything. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much. I love you very much. Thank you for supporting me and I really do appreciate you. So let's go right into the main video. So from the top here is our starting point and our shoulder line. So we are drafting out a basic body first before we can alter the pattern paper. I'm going to come down to mark my bust point. From my shoulder to my bust point is 9.5 inches. I'm going to mark that across. Like I said, we are drafting out a basic bodies first so that you understand what we are doing here before we alter it as we go on with the video. Then from the shoulder line again, I'm going to come down to mark my waist point. I'm going to mark 15 inches here and I will extend that point across. Then for the length of this top, I'm going to be using the whole of this pattern paper. So you decide on the length you want. You can make it shorter or longer. All right, so this is a full length, this is the waistline, and this is the bust line. I'm going to come to the shoulder line here, divide my shoulder by 2. My shoulder is 15 divided by 2 is 7.5. I'm going to mark it right here. At that point, I'm going to come down by 1 inch for my shoulder slope. I'm going to come here to mark my basic neck of 3 inches. I'm going to connect from the shoulder slope all the way to the neck width. So I will come here to mark my neck depth of 3 inches. So I'm using 3 by 3. So I'm going to connect from the neck width all the way to the neck depth this way. The next thing is to mark our chest line. To mark your chest line, you're going to divide your bust by 6, then add 1.5 inches to the measurement. I got 7 after dividing mine, and I'm going to extend that point across. So this is my chest line. On my chest line, I'm going to mark what I have as my shoulder measurement here to have a straight line. Then I'm going to connect from the shoulder slope all the way to the point I just marked on the chest line. So I'm going to come to this line here, divide this line into 2 equal halves to get the midpoint. At the midpoint, I'm going to go in by ½ an inch. I'll come to the chest line, divide my bust circumference by 4, and I'll connect the points together with my curve rule to form my armhole. So this is what we have. The next thing we're going to do right now is to impute our round body measurement. I'm going to come to the chest line, divide my bust by 4, which we've already marked. If you are not using a stretchy fabric, you go ahead and add your seam allowance. But if you are using a stretchy fabric, there's no need for you to add your seam allowance. So I'll come to the waistline, divide my waist by 4. And I'm going to come to the full length, divide my hip by 4. I'm going to mark it right on the full length. Since I'll be using a stretchy fabric for this, there won't be need for me to add my seam allowance. I'll just go ahead and connect all these points together like this. So we now have our basic bodies block. So this is how to go about your basic bodies block. It's very simple. What we are going to do right now is to alter this pattern paper to get our camisole. So do well to pay attention to what we are about to do right now. So before we do that, I'm just going to cut out the pattern paper out before we alter the pattern paper to get our camisole. All right. So to get our camisole, we are going to be coming off from the bust line at the center by 5 inches. Then I'll come to the center front here. I'll come up from the bust line by 2 inches, and I'm going to connect from the 5 inches to the 2 inches. You can use your free hand to do this, or better still, you can use your curve rule to give you a perfect curve. And you're just going to connect from there like this to this point, and you connect from here also into your armhole this way. And this is basically it. This is how to cut your camisole. I'm going to go ahead and cut this out so we see what it looks like. By the time you open this up this way, this is what you are going to see. You can see how beautiful this came out. And the next thing is to cut out your rope that you'll be attaching here. You can see you just attach your rope to this end here. And this is basically it for this tutorial. It's a very simple tutorial. You can cut and sew this within 10 minutes or even less than 10 minutes. You can see how beautiful the pattern paper is looking just with the pattern paper. So this is basically it for this tutorial. And if you find this video helpful, please do well to like, share, give this video a thumbs up. If you have any question, anything you don't understand at all, please do well to drop it in the comment section, and I will do well to reply and attend to all your questions. Thank you so much for staying tuned, and I will see you in the next video.